If you have an online store based on Magento eCommerce platform and you're also using Microsoft Dynamics NAV and looking for an integration solution, then you are at the right place. InSync offers seamless integration between your Magento and Microsoft Dynamics NAV. So what is NAVeConnect? NAVeConnect, our integration solution, can leverage your investment into Dynamics NAV and Magento. It will help you to reduce your costs of daily operations and allow you to respond to your business changes far more quickly. So in a sentence, our solution would provide you the flexibility that you have always lacked and hence failed to deliver the desired customer experience. The standard points of integration covered by NAVeConnect. NAVeConnect offers more than 65 integration points out of the box between NAV and Magento eCommerce. Here we can broadly classify the integration points into 6 major categories, which are customer, order, items, stock, invoice, and shipping information. So in the next 5 to 6 minutes, I'll be showing you how our integration solution NAVeConnect works. So first I'll show you the interface of our connector NAVeConnect. This is the login panel of NAVeConnect. I'll just put in the username and password and log in. This is the interface, and here you have separate panels to access all the separate functionalities of NAVeConnect. And first is the NAV configuration, Magento configuration. Here you can put in all the details and configure NAVeConnect to connect to the two platforms. And here under Magento configuration, you can put in details and you can make NAVeConnect to connect multiple Magento websites to multiple Dynamics NAV companies. That is a unique feature of NAVeConnect. Our integration solution provides you the facility to connect multiple websites with multiple companies. Now moving on to the quick sync and auto sync. Through quick sync, you can manually run an individual synchronization process, for example customer download or simple product or download process. You can run the process, synchronization process, and all the details would be synced from one platform to the other. Next comes auto sync. Under auto syncs, you get the facility to select a particular process which would always keep on running in background. For example, customer download, if you select this process under auto sync, this process would keep on running in background, and every time a new customer registers from your Magento front end, all the details of that customer would automatically get downloaded to the customer card document of Dynamics NAV. So if the auto sync is on and the customer download process is selected, you won't have to log into NAVeConnect every time and manually run the synchronization process. So having the customer download process selected under auto sync, and since this process is running in background, I'll just register as a new customer from the Magento front end, and all the details would automatically get downloaded to the Dynamics NAV customer card document in real time. So now let me register from the Magento front end. So this is the interface of our demo Magento environment. I'll register as a new customer. I'm providing the email ID of the customer. Now I'll provide the password. So here I've provided the initial details of the new customer, and my account has already been created, and this is the dashboard of the newly registered customer. So now I'll provide the billing and shipping address of this customer. I just provided the telephone number. Now I'll provide the street address. I'll provide the city. I'll select the state as California. I'll provide the zip code. So I'm done with providing the billing and shipping address of the customer, and now I'm going to save the address of this customer. And since the customer download process is running in background, all the details would get downloaded to the Dynamics NAV. So I'll open the interface of Dynamics NAV and open the customer card document, and I'll show you how all these details have been downloaded over there. So let me open the interface of Dynamics NAV now. So this is the interface of Microsoft Dynamics NAV, and now I'll just open the customer card document, and I'll show you the details of the newly registered customer that has been downloaded from Magento to Dynamics NAV. The name of the customer was Greg Hartford. As you can see, the name of the customer, the phone number, the email ID, every detail of that customer as provided in Magento has been downloaded. Now let me show you two important features of NAVeConnect. From single Magento installation, you can have multiple Magento websites, so it is very important for you to know from which particular website is a customer registered. So here in the website code field, you'll also get to see the website name, the Magento website name from which the customer has registered. Similarly, again in Magento you have the scope for creating multiple web customer groups, so it's very important for you again to know to which particular group a registered customer belongs to. So in this field you'll be able to see the group to which this particular customer belongs. So this is how you can synchronize customer details from Magento to Dynamics NAV, and this is a bidirectional process. So when a new customer registers in Magento, all the details can be downloaded to Dynamics NAV, and similarly if you have the details of a customer in Dynamics NAV, you can upload those details to Magento. An automated mail would be sent to the customer's email ID notifying about the account creation in your Magento store. So now I'm back in Magento and I'm still logged in as that newly registered customer, and now I'll place an order in Magento and I'll show you how we can download all the order details from Magento to Dynamics NAV. So I've selected an item, iPhone 5, I've added it to cart, and I'll select the billing and shipping address and the shipping methods, and I'll place the order, and I'll download this order to Dynamics NAV sales order document. So here I'm on the reviewing page. The order total is 500 USD, and I've placed the order, and the order ID has been generated ending with number 30. So previously I've shown you the auto sync functionality of NAVeConnect. Now I'll show you how we can use the quick sync process of NAVeConnect and download an order. So I'll go to quick sync and select the order download process, and I'll run that process, and the order details would be downloaded from Magento to Dynamics NAV. So this is the manual process of NAVeConnect. So as you can see, the order download process has been completed and the details have been downloaded. So I'll open the Dynamics NAV sales order document now. So I'll open the sales order document of Dynamics NAV, and the name of the customer was Greg Hartford. So this is the sales order we just downloaded. So as you can see, the name of the customer is showing, the item iPhone 5, the order quantity is 1, and the total order amount is 500 USD. And this is the order ID that was generated, is showing in the web increment ID field of the sales order document. So in this way we can download an order, and this process is also there under auto sync. So if you keep the order download process under auto sync selected, this process, the order download process would keep on running in background, and every time an order gets placed in Magento, all the details of that order would get downloaded to the Dynamics NAV in real time without any manual intervention. So I've just shown you two integration processes of NAVeConnect. One is customer download, another is order download. So now let me give you a brief about our company InSync. InSync is a software product development company, and we have an in-depth knowledge of Microsoft and SAP ERP platforms for SMEs, as well as we have an experience in dealing with open source e-commerce platforms like Magento, Zencart, PrestaShop. Our flagship integration solution is being currently used by more than 100 customers stretching across more than 30 countries across the globe, and we have reseller partners all across the globe as well. At corp@insync.co.in, or for a quick word you can call us directly in any of these 3 numbers. Hope the video was informative for you. Follow us on Twitter for regular updates. Thanks for your time.